So hey family, before this video gets started, I just wanted to say I am going to do those two projects that I said, but I am going to be working on them after the holidays. So we will not get started with a video for the tops and the dress. Well, both of them are going to be dresses right now. So, with that said, I just wanted to give you that little disclaimer in the beginning of the video. So, don't be looking for the outfit at the end of the video because it ain't there, y'all. It ain't there. But anyway, I hope y'all have a happy holiday, and I will see you after the holiday with the video on those two outfits, getting them started. Getting them started, not finishing. I don't know when I'm finishing, but yeah. Anyway, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Thanks for stopping by today. So, hey family, hey friends, what's going on? How y'all doing? It's your girl Jay. I just thought I'd come back on here from Jay So Tastic. So what? I don't know what we doing. Some upcycling over here and some sewing. So, I just wanted to share with you guys some items that I have gotten, and I'll try to put the inspiration in a picture up here somewhere so y'all can see what I'm trying to do. So I went to the Goodwill yesterday and I found another blue jean jacket, but I'm going to do something totally different with this jacket. I'm going to make it into a dress. Okay? I don't know if that's totally different. Is it totally different? It ain't totally different. Anyway, y'all know what I'm about to do, and I ain't got my mic on again, so I hope y'all can hear me. But anyway, this blue jean jacket. So keep an eye out for this jacket. So when I get to this project, I'm going to let y'all know, okay? And then I'll put the picture below of what the jacket is going to look like once I get done with it, okay? Because I got a lot of cutting up to do and stripping to do. And so then the next project is going to be, I'm going to take this hoodie. Okay, let me see if I can step back and give y'all a, hold on y'all, let's see. A clear view, sorry, of the whole hoodie, where it goes to. Okay, so the hoodie goes to about right above my knee. Okay, so I saw this inspiration. I'm gonna put it up here. Put the inspiration at the top of what the hoodie is going to look like when I get done with it. Okay, and then I ordered the fringe that I'm gonna need to put around the bottom, and this is like 5 yards. So I had to order another one. This came today. I had to order. It's today is Tuesday. So I had to order another one because this ain't gonna work. It's 5 yards. It's gonna work, but it's not enough. It's not enough of the fluff. So if you look at the picture, you can see how fluffy I need it to be. So yeah, that's not enough. And I had to go on YouTube University and watch a video of how to remove, um, what is this called? Y'all know what it's called, but I gotta remove it. Okay, so I gotta remove it so that it's all black, and then I have something for what I want to do with this one. I might just either, it's just really all threaded embroidery, you know, so I may just um use my ripper and, you know, to get it off. I'll go from the back side of it and like from there and probably try to open it up so I can get it off. And hopefully it doesn't create a hole. I don't think it should, because it should be on top of the fabric, right? Right. And then I have the whole part on the back. This is a who is it? Papa Jimmy John's. I don't think I want to wear this as, you know, Jimmy John's. So if you keep looking at the picture, you'll see what my inspiration is. So I am going to probably start that project as soon as possible, because I might want to wear it for, you know, a little casual holiday event. So I'm going to get ready and show you what the presser foot for today does. So I told you guys that I would come back with a video for those who are new at sewing, or, you know, knowing what foot to use for what. The foot that I'm supposed to be using today is a guide foot. So let me switch over to my machine and put the guide foot on and show you what it does. But make sure that you come back, that you're paying attention to the community tab, or make sure you got your notifications on, because I can tell that some of y'all ain't got your notification buttons on, and I need you to turn those on. And if you don't know how, just let me know in the comments, or you just go and, click on that little bell and it'll say all notifications, and then you say yes to that, okay? And that is how you will get all notifications of my videos uploading. That way, when I go back and look at the algorithm or go back and look at my YouTube stats, I can tell how you found out about my videos. So I need to know how y'all finding out about my videos. Oops, hold on, y'all. I just lost you. I need to know how I'm finding out, or how y'all watching the videos, so that I can gear my videos towards that avenue. Okay, because if you're clicking on the links or if you're getting notifications, then I need to up my game on my side. You see what I'm saying? But I just need a little bit of help. I need a little bit of help from you, family. So if I don't put up another video before the holiday, I want to say happy Thanksgiving for those who celebrate holidays. Thanksgiving is a time of reflection for thanking God for bringing me through all the things we have been through. I've had a couple of tragedies in my life this week, and it's been kind of hard. And also I was gone for the weekend, so that's why I don't have any videos up or anything like that. And then I do have my other channel that I have to put a video up on. So I do have 2 channels that I'm busy with. I go over to Jay's Locks and I do home decor series right now. And I'm going to be doing my lock update, my 4-year lock update. So, and that's going to take a minute for me to combine all that stuff together and share. But these are the 2 projects that I'm going to be working on next. I don't know, it might change. It could change. I'm a Pisces. This is what we do. But anyway, so with that said, you guys, let's go down to the machine and see how we're going to get this presser foot on to show us how to guide our fabric. So it is a presser foot. The name of the presser foot is the guided presser foot. Okay, so let's go down there and see. All right. Oh, hey y'all, it's me again. I did not show you the African Beauty dress that I'm deciding to make as well. I'm going to sew this project. So I'm going to put a picture of it up here. I'm going to put a picture of it up here so that you can see it. So don't know when I'm going to start that, but this is one of my ideas. And so what I'm going to do is share with you things that I would like to create and things that work for my body. Because your girl got a fupa and she ain't ready to leave yet, and she ain't trying to walk away real quick no time soon. So we're going to have to disguise her for a minute until she can make up her mind what she won't do. Okay? So, but with that said, let's get back into the video. But here's the dress. Okay, y'all. So here's the presser foot that we're using today. Okay, let me see if I can give myself a little bit more light here. Let's see. Does that help? I don't know if that helps, but hopefully y'all can see that. I'm going to take it out. And there it is. See the little guide on it? Okay, so we have to take it off. Okay. And then it's already threaded. So what I'm going to do is just, put this one on. Now on this presser foot, I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm trying to get y'all close so y'all can see it, but let me see. I can zoom in. See, on the presser foot, there are little notches here. And that's where you want, wherever you want it to guide it at is like, if you want it to be all the way out here, you would put it at the end right there. Okay, so that's my understanding. If I wanted to go in further, if I wanted to come in right there, I would put it here. Okay, and then I would come down, and where's my presser foot at? And then I just start sewing, and it's gonna guide it. I'm supposed to leave it there so that I never get uneven. So that's the whole point of the guided presser foot. Let me snip this a little bit and see what happens if I put it out a little bit further. Okay, so if I want it here, I'm gonna hold it in place, right? I'm just gonna, well, hold on. Hold on, y'all. I don't know what's with the pulling here. Okay. Now most people really guide with their hand, and they could, but as you can see, if I get a little bit off, hold on. Okay. So if I get a little bit off, you can be able to tell when it goes off the line. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I can tell when I'm off. Let me see something else, another way I could show this. I wanted to focus a little bit here. I don't know if it is or not, but let's see. Okay, so what I did was I just wanted it to follow the first line that I put on there. So now if I put it on this line here, line it up there, it's going to follow that line all the way down. And so you probably say, well, Jay, when do you want to do this? When do you want to use this feature? Okay, well, you want to use this feature when you are probably top stitching a design into something, and you want the lines to all be the same straight line. You just follow the next line and the next line and next. And you really don't need a guide to do that. You just kind of like need a steady hand. Yeah, you really don't need a guide, a foot guide. You really don't need a foot guide, but just to kind of like show you, if you're doing something like you want to make straight lines on top stitch, say you're sewing something like blue jean jacket, and you want this precise stitching to be the same. Okay, so you just put that on that guideline of this line, and then it'll, you know, match this line, and it'll make them even for you. So like I said, you can do that without a guided foot, but just to give you an idea of what it does do. So I will see you guys in the next video. This is short and sweet, and I will come back with me removing some of the lettering. I can't remember what you call it. Y'all put it in the comments below if you know what it's called. What is this called? I don't, applique, some kind of applique that, you know, we put on our stuff. So I have to remove this because I want it to be all black. I don't want to be, and then I gotta wait for my other fringe to come tomorrow because I had to reorder. My lips dry. Hold on. That feels better, way better. So yeah, but anyway, I had to order some more because when I seen that, I mean, it'll go around, but it won't give the fullness that I needed to give for this right here. So this is going to be really cute. And like I said, I'll put the pictures up there so you can see where I'm grabbing my inspiration from. And yeah, I bought Donna upstairs. So she is over there in the corner. I bought her upstairs, y'all. So we're going to get back to, well, this is a thrifted upcycle here. And so is the blue jean one, but you guys have requested for me to finish that blue jean dress with the camo that I made out of a pair of pants. And we gonna do it, y'all. We gonna do it. We gonna do what we can to get it done. And I'm gonna finish that dress so y'all can see the finished look. Okay, so with that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said before, have a happy holiday and all that stuff. Just remember to be thankful. If you're still on this earth and you breathing and you got all your hands and arms and legs and everything is working outside of a little pain, just remember you are blessed. Okay, so don't take it for granted. That's all I want to say. There's a lot behind that, but I'm not going to say all that. But it's a lot behind all of this message. So hopefully it inspires you to be thankful this week for the blessings that you do have and that will come your way. But up until that time, y'all, let's get into this thrifted, okay? And I will see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna come back when I start working on it, okay? Promise. See y'all.